Okay, what's going on, Tinyboat Nation? CL coming at you. We're gonna go over the new Barracuda Troll Master. I'm in California. I like to troll, and I think this is a good setup for it. So let me go over what I did. We got a 12-foot 1962 trailer boat. I think it's a knockoff Klamath. She was ancient. It was $100 with the trailer and a very old Minn Kota trolling motor, not the one you see here, for $100 back in 2018. Finally got done with her. Do a quick little overview. Let's go to power system first. So we have in the center seat 2 marine deep cycle batteries, fuse block, solar charge controller, and all the fuses, or excuse me, circuit breakers that go with it. Up front, 2 speakers, decent amount of little storage for all knickknacks. Downrigger, which I think is gonna go roughly right here off the side of the boat. I got another one. It's not in the picture. It's gonna go on the seat over here. Got the captain's chair, trolling motor, and a 4-stroke 7.5 horse Honda, or excuse me, 5 horse. Not in the picture. So got some switches. First is the radio. That's that little circle thing over there. Pile brand, Bluetooth, controlled from your phone. Got depth finder. Bought a Garmin from a color Garmin. I think it's a 160. Yeah, 160C from a buddy, coworker. This is the USB port up front. Shows voltage, and it's got 2 little USBs. Anyone sitting up front can charge their phone or camera, whatever. Bilge pump. And then running lights. Got the stern light here, and obviously the bow light up front. So you saw that solar charge controller. Got 2 flexible 100-watt a piece solar panels mounted to the bimini. It's mounted with this 550 cord. It's really strong. Used some trucker hitches there. Tightened it right up. Let me know what you think. Any questions, comments? It's my first build. The boat was pretty rough. There's a pretty significant dent on the other side. All the electronics are running through that conduit. I didn't wall the side of the boat, so it's kind of exposed. I didn't do the conduit back here in case I needed to add anything. Just used the double wall, like split loom. LED lights underneath, front and back on the seat, and then underneath this little piece in the back on the transom, and then some lights up front with the speakers. Again, pile. It's Bluetooth, only controlled by your phone. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.